Hey, what's up guys? I just want to say something. I am back! Ah damn! No more exams! No more books! Burn it! Erase them from the face of the earth! I don't care! It's the greatest pleasure ever! On that bombshell, let's talk some business now. The Samsung Galaxy S11, which you all know, is dead. You won't be seeing the Galaxy S11 next year. Instead, what you will be getting is a Galaxy S20. Yes, this is happening. Earlier they have skipped the Galaxy Note 6 to sync the Note lineup with the S lineup, and now they have skipped the Galaxy S11 to the Galaxy S19 to sync the series with the year of the manufacturing. So for the year 2020 we have the Galaxy S20. Let me know which name do you prefer more, Galaxy S11 Plus or the Galaxy S20 Plus. What your opinion from over here? Now, some say that the reason behind this decision is that Samsung also wants to avoid the number S13 because apparently 13 is unlucky. In today's world, like, that's just utter bull. OnePlus also left the OnePlus 4 for the exact same reason. I don't care about that, and honestly, S20 sounds just as good to me as the Galaxy S11 Plus, so I don't have anything against this name change. The thing which I'm more excited about is to see that how will they continue this naming moving forward. Is this going to be Galaxy S21-22 for the year 2021 and 2022, or is this going to be the different approach of Galaxy S20, S30, S40 and so on? This is very interesting from Samsung because they are the first company to actually complete all the numbers from 1 to 10 without skipping anything in between. Apple also comes close, but they have skipped over iPhone 2 and the iPhone 9. So this makes Samsung the very first company to actually cover number 1 to number 10 without anything skipped over. So this is more interesting because Samsung is the first one to complete all the numbers from 1 to 10, and now they are skipping all the numbers from 11 to 19. Moving on to the design of the smartphone, we have the front display panel of the Galaxy S11 or the Galaxy S20, whatever you want to call it. This is how much bezel-less this smartphone is going to be. We have very small bezels all around. Even the bottom bezel is very teeny and practically like non-existent. The hole is also much smaller than the current Galaxy Note 10. We will also be seeing two new kind of flagships in the recent future, including the Galaxy S10 Lite and the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, which will feature some new and interesting design decisions and also a very interesting launch price, which I will be covering in the near future videos. So for that, I would suggest you to subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on Twitter from the link down below. Let me know guys, what do you think about this name change of the Galaxy S11 to the Galaxy S20? Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. There's much more to come because now I am free. Like, not for sale free, but you know what I mean, I'm free. And as always guys, thanks for watching.